Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to create new categories and add in shop navigation. Log into the backend. Go to Catalogs and Categories. Now right-click on Catalog and select New Category before. Rename it. Now activate the category and save. Now right-click on your category and select New Subcategory option. Rename it. Make multiple subcategories. Now activate all of them. Click Save. Now go to Storefront. Search your category for adding in navigation. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.